Okay children, let us learn about chapter 16. Transport. 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 One more time. Transport. Transport. Open page number 18. So let's start. What are the different types of transport? What are the different types of transport? Say with me. Land, L-A-N-D, land. Transport, land, transport. Air, transport, air, transport. And water, transport. So what are the different types of transport? Land transport, air transport, water transport. Next, name some means of land transport. Name some means of land transport. Car, bus, motorcycle, bicycle, car, bus, motorcycle, bicycle. What do you call a person who drives a bus or truck? What do you call a person who drives a bus or truck? We'll say driver. What do you call a person who drives a bus or truck? Driver. Name two means of air transport. Air transport, that means the transport that fly in the air. Name two means of air transport. Say with me. Aeroplane and helicopter. Aeroplane, helicopter. What do you call a person who flies an aeroplane? What do you call a person who flies an aeroplane? We'll say pilot. What do you call a person who flies an aeroplane? Pilot. Name any means of water transport. Name any two means of water transport. So, the transport that travels on water, they are called water transport. So, name two means of water transport. Boat and ship. Where does a train run? Where does a train run? That means where does the train moves? Answer is a train runs on the railway track. A train runs on the railway track. A train runs on the railway track. So children, let us revise it one more time. What are the different types of transport? Land transport, air transport, water transport. Name some means of land transport. Car, bus, motorcycle, bicycle. What do you call a person who drives a bus or train? Driver. Name two means of air transport. Aeroplane, helicopter. What do you call a person who flies an aeroplane? Pilot. Name two means of water transport. Boat and ship. Where does a train run? A train runs on the railway track. Now children, let us learn about chapter 20. Colors. page number 22. So here Mrs. Chitra is talking a class. So Mrs. Chitra is a teacher. She is talking to the class. Let's see. Mrs. Chitra, let's talk about colors. Let's talk about colors. Children, yes ma'am. Mrs. Chitra, good. Isha, can you tell me the color of the sky? Can you tell me the color of the sky? Isha, yes ma'am. It's blue. It's blue. It's blue. Mrs. Chitra, good. Do you know the color of an apple? Do you know the color of an apple? Isha, yes ma'am. It's red. It's red. It's red. Mrs. Chitra, Ankita. Ankita, tell me the color of your shirt. Tell me the color of your shirt. Ankita, ma'am, it's white. It's white. Mrs. Chitra, David, what is the color of leaves? What is the color of leaves? David, I think leaves are green in color. I think leaves are green in color. I think leaves are green in color. Mrs. Chitra, Jacob, tell me the color of your shoes. Jacob, tell me the color of your shoes. Jacob, ma'am, they are black. They are black. Mrs. Chitra, Rita, do you know the color of a mango? Do you know the color of a mango? Rita, yes ma'am, it's yellow. It's yellow. Mrs. Chitra, Sonu, can you tell me the color of water? Can you tell me the color of water? Sonu, sorry ma'am, I don't know. Sonu, sorry ma'am, I don't know. Mrs. Chitra, water is colorless. Water is colorless. That means it does not have any color. Water is colorless. That means water has no color. Children, I hope you have understood. Let us just revise one more time. The color of the sky is blue. The color of an apple is red. The color of shirt is white. The color of leaves is green. The color of shoe is black. The color of mango is yellow. And the color of water is colorless. So today you have learned about the chapter on colors. Please revise the lesson. Now children, let us learn about chapter 21. Body parts. Body parts. Let us say, how many hands do you have? Say with me, how many hands do you have? Say with me the answer. I have 2 hands. I have 2 hands. Which part of the body helps you to walk and run? Helps you to walk and run. The legs help us to walk and run. The legs help us to walk and run. So legs help us to walk and run. Which part of the body helps you to see? Which part of the body helps you to see? The eyes help me to see things. The eyes help me to see things. How many eyes do you have? How many eyes do you have? I have 2 eyes. I have 2 eyes. 1, 2. I have 2 eyes. What do you do with your tongue? Tongue. Tongue. What do you do with your tongue? I taste with my tongue. I taste with my tongue. How many ears do you have? How many ears do you have? I have 2 ears. I have 2 ears. What do you do with your nose? What do you do with your nose? I smell with my nose. I smell with my nose. So, children, these are the chapter on body parts. Now, children, let us learn about chapter 22. Seasons. Seasons. Page number 24. How many seasons are there? How many seasons are there? Say with me. There are 5 seasons. There are 5 seasons. How many seasons are there? There are 5 seasons. Can you name them? Can you name them? Yes, they are. Yes, they are. Summer. S-U-M-M-E-R. Summer. Summer. S-U-M-M-E-R. Summer. Rainy. R-A-I-N-Y. Rainy. R-A-I-N-Y. Rainy. Autumn. A-U-T-U-M-N. Autumn. A-U-T-U-M-N. Autumn. Winter. W-I-N-T-E-R. Winter. W-I-N-T-E-R. Winter. And spring. S-P-R-I-N-G. Spring. S-P-R-I-N-G. Spring. Seasons. They are summer, rainy, autumn, winter, spring. What type of clothes do you wear in winter? What type of clothes do you wear in winter? Woolen clothes. Woolen clothes. Woolen clothes. Woolen clothes. So, in winter, what type of clothes do you wear? Woolen clothes. What type of clothes do you wear in summer? Cotton clothes. What type of clothes do you wear in summer? Cotton clothes. What happens in the spring season? What happens in the spring season? Flowers blossom. Flowers blossom. Blossom. In the spring season. Flower blossom in the spring season. When do we use umbrella and raincoat? When do we use umbrella and raincoat? We use them in the rainy season. We use them in the rainy season. Children, please go through this chapter and learn the spellings by heart. Summer, rainy, autumn, winter, spring.